faster next time, Tiny.
I need these. I can't give up. Why? Why today? If I stop, I won't have money today. Please, help. Don't worry. I've got you now. Thank you. Why are you so kind to me? Because you deserve care too. See? You're amazing. Really?
Hardworking as always, Hana.
Thank you, sir. Hey! That's mine, Joe! Please stop! Got it! I got it back! It's okay. I can fix it.
You're tough, little one. Want to help me at the Sai?
I'll try my best. But I can do this.
She's tougher than she looks.
I just want to help. At least I'm part of the building now. It's lighter when we lift it together.
Yeah, teamwork magic.
It moved. I did it.
Food tastes better when we share. You're the best, Hana.
That was close. You saved us all, Hana.
We did it together.
Today was hard, but good.
It's big, but not scarier than hard work.
Just one more pile to go. Just a little tired.
I'll be okay, Quirrell.
Thank you for helping me. I feel lighter now.
Someone needs this more than I do.
Oh, thank you. You saved me.
Just glad I found you.
Good things come when you do good. Tomorrow, the smell of bread will fill this street.
Let's see if anyone likes my bread today. No need. Just eat and smile.
Thank you, Miss Hana. The rain can't stop a good day.
For your next batch of bread.
Thank you. I'll make everyone something sweet. Welcome, everyone. Everyone gets a piece today. Mama. I did it.